Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning, the start of a new week. Last night I prepared Salisbury steak meatballs with a mushroom gravy and cheesy mashed potatoes. Yummy. I'm actually going to post up a different recipe for the mushroom gravy. The original one I scrapped. It's too plain. And the the mashed potatoes kind of came up. There was always mashed potatoes, but what they ended up being, it was kind of last minute type thing. I was playing. I was just having fun. Yeah. So it was good. Robin gets this look on her face, in her eyes, when she tastes something really good. She asked me if she could do something in the kitchen, and I'm like, sure, taste the mashed potatoes. She took one little bite, and that look came over her face. I'm like, yeah, I did it. I got it. All right, enough about last night. We had a great time. Food was great. Company was great. Yep. Today, we're going a little more easy. We're doing, or we, I, me, myself, and I, are doing a mushroom pasta. Yeah, mushrooms. 2 days in a row. What was I thinking when I put the schedule together? Oops. That's all right. I like mushrooms. Or I wouldn't eat them. This is a simple little dish. So let's get to it. Gotta have mushrooms for a mushroom sauce. So I got some mushrooms, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, some Szechuan chili flakes. The empty little bowl actually represents some Parmesan cheese I'm going to pick up later. Some parsley, kosher salt, black pepper, and of course, linguine, my favorite. Like I said, simple, real simple. It'll take, I think, longer to cook the linguine than to put the sauce together. Just saying. Depends on the mushrooms. Depends on how thin I get them. All right, on this Monday, this marvelous Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.